Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to change sheet scale. So for example, we have these 3D objects and I will go to sheet. You can go to file, click new and I will choose drawing sheet. So I will use general tools to insert the objects and then you can change into top view. And you also can create projected from these objects like this. Okay, now if you want to change this sheet scale, you can go to scale tools in the sheet setup. So as default to be set into 5 divide 1 and you can click drop down menu in here to change. Like I will set into 2, 1, so to be more small. You can set again another like into default 10 divide 1 and you can press enter to apply. So you can set manually by using these scale tools. Okay, I will set into 5 like this. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to change sheet scale. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.